This is Biotronix hand rehabilitation device, Syrebo based, brand name, and the model is C11. This is the rehabilitation glove. This is the host device, you can see, and this is the carry box and all. These are the accessories, you can see, and this is the data glove. This is the wired data glove. So if you buy the dual hand model, you will be getting two rehabilitation gloves, one for the right and one for the left, and two respective data gloves, one for the right and one for the left. But if you are buying for the single hand only, you will be getting either right hand rehabilitation gloves or left hand rehabilitation gloves plus the respective data gloves. Like you are buying for the left hand, then you will be getting the left hand rehabilitation glove and respective right hand data glove. And if you are buying for the right hand, you will be getting right hand rehabilitation gloves and left hand data glove. And if you are buying the same as a dual hand model, then you will be getting two rehabilitation gloves and two data gloves. So now I will show you the demo of the device and all the training sorts. This is the rechargeable device. So I have already charged the same, and now after charging the same, I can use it anywhere without without plugging the same into the main supply. So now you can see this is the device. To start the same, I have to long press this key. The device has got powered on, you can see. And there are three training modes in the same. First is mirror training, first is passive training, second is mirror training, and third is active training. So when I select the passive training mode, I will get the indication over here. Now I will have to start the press key, start key. You can see this is the rehabilitation glove, and you can see the activity. In the passive training mode, your hand will get flexion, then extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. So you are getting the passive motion over here. You are getting flexion and extension of the hand, and here you can see that you can also adjust the time, hold time of the flexion and extension by using these buttons. I have increased the same to 9, and here also I have increased the same to 9. So you can see that hand rehabilitation gloves will now it will remain extended for 9 seconds. It will hold for the 9 seconds. Then again it will get flexated, hold for the 8 seconds. Then it will get go extend in the extension mode again. So by putting the numbers over there, you can adjust the hold time of the flexion and extension in the passive training mode. So this is the passive training mode. Now the second training mode is the mirror training mode, and I will now show you the mirror training. So I'm just switching off the same. I have paused the device, and now I am switching the training mode. This was the passive one, and this is the mirror one. So now I am clicking on the mirror one mode. So now you can see the indication is mirror training mode. So in the mirror training mode, this data glove comes into role. You can see this is the data glove, this is the wired data glove, and this is the data glove, and this is the rehabilitation glove. So the movement you will perform in the data glove will now get repeat into the rehabilitation glove. So the doctor can wear the same, or the patient with the normal hand can wear the same. And you can see now I'm just starting the same. So currently you can see rehabilitation glove as well as the data glove. Both are extended. Now I will flex my hand. So when I flex my data glove, I give the input, and the rehabilitation gloves will also get flexed. And when I extend the same in the data glove, the hand will also get, rehabilitation hand will also get extended. So you can see the time I will hold the same, the data time I will hold the data glove, the rehabilitation gloves will also remain same. So the patient can also wear the same data glove on the normal hand, and on rehabilitation gloves on the affected hand. So the movement patient will perform in the data glove, that will be repeated in the rehabilitation glove. So that will build motor connection in the brain, and that will help in the rehabilitation. So this is the mirror training mode. And now the third training mode is active training mode, which is like an app will be there in the Android phone, and that person can download that app, and patient will play some games in that app and perform that activity of the rehabilitation glove. Like some game will patient has to see the instruction of that game, and it will follow that instruction, and by that they will perform the activity in the rehabilitation glove. So these are the three training modes in the C11 device, and now you can see the ideal training activity. This is the ball. This is the ball, and in the mirror training mode, I have switched the same into mirror training mode, and I am holding my hand. The patient will be able to carry that ball, and now it will get dropped. You can see the patient can hold the same, and ideal training will be also the part of the same. You have to place the hand over here, and when I will contract my hand in the data glove, patient will be able to hold the same. Then he can, likewise he can also hold some glass or some other object which can be easily held by, which previously he can't, or he or she can't hold the same, but with the help of the data glove input, the patient can hold the same and perform the ideal activity. Ball, बड़ा है ना तो. So these are the three training modes in the C11 models: the passive training mode, the active training mode, and the mirror training mode. So this is the complete demo of the device. Thanks for the